why did you choose to be a teacher?
Actually, it was not my first choice. Originally, I really wanted to become a nurse. But since nursing is so expensive, that's why the one who financed my studies, and that was my aunt. He was the one who financed my studies, and she told me to just, I have to take education first.
What's your purpose of being a teacher?
Well, you know, as a teacher, you cannot even imagine, or you cannot even fathom the purpose of a teacher in this world. Yeah, basically, the purpose of a teacher is to really impart learning, impart knowledge, impart skills, impart values to the students. See?
How does your teaching life influences your being a mother?
It's a big influence in my life because as a teacher, I need to really be this. I want my children. I want to raise my children in such a way that, like what I've been teaching in the school, to imbibe positive values, to excel in their field of work or in their field of knowledge. You see, it's like being one, a teacher and a mother. Here in school, I'm also a mother, isn't it? To the students, I'm a mother inside the classroom. So, like any other mothers, they usually give the love that they give to their children. Okay, so it's like two qualities in one person. As a teacher and at the same time a mother and at the same time a teacher.
Do you still have enough time for your kids?
Yes, I see to it that I have quality time with my family, not only with my children, but also with my husband. It's important that I must have quality time with my family. See, work is just second for me. My family is my priority.
Is it fun to be a teacher? Fun?
Anything that you enjoy, it's fun. But sometimes when there are things that you have to take seriously, and it's not fun anymore, see? For example, me in this school, there are a lot of times that it's fun with me, with the teachers, with the students, with the administrators, you know, and the whole community. It's fun. But with that fun, there is a big responsibility that you have to take. See? There is a time to enjoy, a time to be serious.
Are you fulfilled being a teacher?
Not yet. I still have so many things to accomplish. I haven't even accomplished half of what I want to accomplish in this field of work of mine. So, if I still have the time and I have the money to be able to achieve that, then
do you have, is your salary enough for you to spend for your kids, for your necessities?
like they say in Tagalog, malaki botones, malaki uhalis. So if you're earning more, definitely your lifestyle will change because you have already more to spend. So I guess what I can say is that what I own, what I really impose or emphasize to my children is that we can only provide their needs, but we cannot really provide their wants and desires. If they want to get those things, they have to work hard for it. After probably they're already working and earning enough money for themselves, then they can buy all the things that they need and that they want, which we were not able to provide them. But right now, I can say that we can provide their needs. There's education, the food, their daily allowances, see, but not their wants. Okay?
Thank you.
That all?
Yes.